We've reached 1,000 subscribers, which I couldn't see happening, to be honest, because I hadn't really fully committed to this channel for a while. It's super awesome that we've reached this milestone as a collective, and I'm really grateful to each of you that decides to watch my videos. I'm really grateful for you. To thank you, I've made a Discord server where we can connect with one another and other incredible people. We can share our trade ideas, goals, and just discuss life in general. I'm hoping it'll be an excellent resource for anyone interested in trading, learning, and just generally growing as a person. You can access the Discord using the link in the description. I'll also put it in the top pinned comment, so I hope to see you there. So I'll give you a quick tour of the server because I want you to look around yourselves. So when you first join, you'll be greeted with this welcome screen. There's the rules, all the roles if you're interested in climbing the server hierarchy. For example, if you vote for the server on top.gg, that'll give you a role quite high up. Same if you boost the server, that'll give you a really high up role. There's also roles that you can earn, like if you have a big YouTube channel or if you have 100k in funding. These roles will gain you access to exclusive chats, like the funded chat. When you first join the server, actually, there'll be a channels and roles page, and here you can input your trading experience, where you're from, and your trading strategy and things like that, and all these will display on your profile. Maybe in the future I'll add more of these and I can make more exclusive chats that way, like language exclusive chats for just Spanish community, stuff like that, but we'll see. Announcements channel, so if I have any announcements, like if I've made an Instagram or if there's a crazy discount, like I announced when FTMO removed their max trading period. There's a channel for introducing yourself. There's the global chat. I think a few people here are saying hi. I asked them to say hi to you guys. There's also the funded chat, investments, where we can put our investments ideas. There's ASR, where people post their advanced self-review. Goals, quarterly goals, yearly goals. I've just made an achievements channel as well, which is quite new, so I'm hoping people will be able to share some achievements from their trading journey or beyond, you know, not just trading related. This server is I'm hoping it's a bit broader than that. I've got chats exclusive for Guerrilla Trading members and people that trade SMC ICT, so either of those kind of strategies. Got a channel for people asking backtesting questions, for posting your daily forecasts, which I think a lot of people do. There's also this trading floor where people can ask questions about various trades that I've set up live after they've happened live. We're not a signal group. I've got a channel for when I release a new YouTube video. I've got a channel for new video ideas, resources, for example, prop firm cheat sheets, the indicator I was discussing in my last video, psychology, and any server suggestions. And if you have any queries, you can make a support ticket here and I will help you out. So that is the server in a nutshell. So there you go. Make sure you @ me when you join so I know you've watched the end of the video, and also so I can greet you and say hi. Thank you again so much for 1,000 subscribers. I'm ridiculously grateful. It's an amazing feeling, and I hope that we can continue growing this channel together. See you in the Discord. Thank you.